Alright folks, how's everybody doing out there? This right here is a old recovered mahogany from an old factory here in Louisville. I got several planks of this. I could probably make 10 or 20 of these mahogany lock and peg rims. And man, this stuff is beautiful. Look at that. And this is much harder than a Honduras mahogany. It has the same tone as a maple, so if you tap on it, let's say we tap on a maple. This is a 3-ply rim here, and it's not finished turning. Here's a maple that's turned and finished. Set that one down. Has a much nicer wood tone than a maple, I think. Very close. A little bit warmer. But this is August 2018. We'll probably sell about 10 or 20, how many ever we can get out of the wood we got. And they'll be pre-drilled to fit a J.D. Crowe tone ring, Gibson tone ring, and a fuchsia flange, one-piece flange when you receive them. On sale for $199 each, because this old wood is expensive. All right.